आप स्टार्ट करो।
Yes, sir. Hello everyone. My name is Khushbu Peswani and I am the student of Ramban Online Interactive Classes from Batch First. And I am studying in BCom first year.
हम्म,
And today I want to tell you about difference between Indian culture and Western culture. At first I want to tell you about Indian culture.
हम्म,
The culture which is followed in India is known as the Indian culture,
हम्म,
and here's a lot of people are living, and some are Hindu, Muslim, Sikh, Isai, etc. And here's famous music is folk dance and classical.
हम्म,
Here's a lot of languages are spoken,
हम्म,
and mostly Hindi is highly spoken
हम्म,
language,
वेरी
but
गुड।
there are many other languages which are spoken in different areas,
हम्म,
like Telugu, in Tamil,
हम्म,
Marathi,
हम्म,
Punjabi,
हम्म,
Bengali,
हम्म,
Bihari, Urdu, etc.
शाबाश, बहुत अच्छा बोल रहे
And
हो। हाँ।
here's a lot of people are different caste, creed, languages, and they are wearing a lot of different clothes,
हम्म,
and traditional clothing depends upon religion
हम्म,
and reason.
यस।
And Indian culture is the ancient and one of the most popular culture in the world.
हम्म,
India is very well known for its rich culture heritage,
हम्म,
which is a combination uh, combination
शाबाश। हाँ।
of customs,
हाँ।
traditions,
हम्म,
lifestyle, religion, languages, etc.
हम्म,
And there are so many festivals celebrated in the country like Holi, Deepavali,
हम्म,
Dashera, uh, Eid,
हम्म,
Navratri, Odam,
हम्म,
etc.
शाबाश।
And
हाँ।
a lot of festivals, a lot of fairs are held on in India,
हम्म,
and here's people lived with brotherhood, and they are think that we are one, and they live with they help with each other.
हम्म, हम्म,
And I want to tell you about Western culture.
हम्म,
The culture which is followed in the most Western countries like USA, Spain,
हम्म,
Canada, Europe,
हम्म,
etc.
हम्म,
is known as Western culture.
हम्म,
Here's people are Christians, etc.
हम्म,
And here's famous music is hip hop, blue rap,
हम्म,
heavy metal, rock music, etc.
हम्म,
Here's mostly English is spoken in the Western culture,
हम्म,
but sometimes French and Spanish is also spoken in the Western culture.
हम्म,
And, here's people wearing different clothes. A person can wear whatever he want.
हम्म,
Indian culture is referred as the modern and advanced culture in the world.
हम्म,
Here, people give more importance to their wants, needs, desire, and happiness.
हम्म,
Nobody here has time to think what others people think about them,
हम्म,
because they are busy in doing their own business.
हम्म,
That's it, sir.
वेरी गुड। हाँ, बोलो।
Hello everyone, my name is Karina Narwani. Today I am telling about Indian culture and Western culture. Now I am talking about Indian culture. Indian culture is the one of the most popular cultures in the world.
हम्म,
India is known for its rich culture,
हम्म,
which is a combination of lifestyle, religion, languages,
हम्म,
etc.
हम्म,
Depending upon areas.
हम्म,
Here you can see unity in diversity.
हम्म,
People like belong to different religions
हाँ,
live happily. Guests are considered God here. People welcome them with joined hand and a smile on their face.
हम्म,
Indian culture is now divided into two categories, which are traditional and the modern one.
हाँ,
In traditional culture, people give more importance to their society.
वेरी गुड, बहुत अच्छा बोलते रहो।
Community comes first for them,
हम्म,
but this is changing slowly with the impact of many things.
हम्म शाबाश बेटा
About
हाँ बोलो बहुत अच्छा बोल रहे हो हाँ
about 30 to 40 years ago,
हम्म
only arranged marriages are common,
हाँ
where the parents of the bride and groom choose for their child.
हम्म
But now love marriages are equally respected.
हम्म
There are so many festivals celebrated in the country in a in country
हम्म
like Holi, Diwali, Dashera, Eid,
हम्म
Christmas, and many other festivals.
हम्म
The Indian woman prefers sari or salwar kameez with
हम्म
dupatta,
हम्म
whereas Indian kurta and kurta pajama is a traditional outfit of men in India.
शाबाश
I am talking about Western culture.
हम्म
Western culture is different from Indian culture.
हम्म
Traditional culture. Western culture is referred as the modern and advanced culture in the world.
हम्म
The Western culture are depends on individual rights, etc. You can see Western culture in America, Germany, Spain, Europe, France, etc.
हम्म
Here, most people belong to Christianity.
हम्म
People give more importance to their wants, needs,
हम्म
and happiness.
हम्म
Nobody here has
Hello
बोलो बेटा
everyone.
हम्म
Hello everyone. My name is Rubina, and I'm telling you about difference between Indian culture and Western culture.
हम्म
I want to tell you first Indian culture.
हम्म
Indian culture is very good because here all the people with live unitedly. Many caste of people live here.
हम्म
Their behavior brotherhood with each other.
हम्म
Every here all the caste um, are 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 given same importance.
शाबाश बोलो वेरी गुड हाँ
Indian people worship all the trees and animals and birds and hills.
हम्म
Uh, Here's people live with joint family and in family. Here many different caste of peoples live, but there remained unitedly.
देर हाँ ठीक है बोलते रहो तो कोई बात नहीं
In this way, Indian culture is good.
हम्म
And I want to tell you about Western culture.
हम्म
Western culture is also good. Western culture called the modern culture.
हम्म
Western culture in the people of our duty and country's rule.
हम्म
Here people use the time, but they given importance to the cultures.
हम्म
Very few people are given the importance to the culture. They worry of our future. They waste our time in the wrong in the wrong works.
हाँ
Western culture do not live joint family. They also live along in this way. In this way that that the that the Western culture is good and not good, etc.
ओके हाँ
Can I start, sir?
हम्म
Good evening, everyone. My name is Ispal Gupta, and I am the student of Rampart English online interactive classes from batch B1. And today I am going to tell you difference between Indian culture and Western culture. Indian every people has their own culture, and they like their own culture very much. In India, Indian culture is adopted by Indian, and in Western culture is adopted by Christians. In India, we we welcome our guest by with folding hands and children by touching feet of guest. But in Western culture, uh, people or children welcome their guest with a handshake. In India, many festival is celebrated like Holi, Diwali, Eid, Good Friday, etc. But in West, Halloween, Thanksgiving, Christmas are celebrated. In India, we speak many languages like Hindi, Marathi, Gujarati, Sikh, etc. But in West, only English is spoken because they have only one language, which is English. In India, we eat dal, chawal, roti, sabji. That is good for our health, and we can eat it daily. But in West, pizza, burger, chow mein, etc. is eaten by people that is not good for that is not good for body, and we can't eat it in our daily life. In India, uh, in India, folk music, classic music, Bollywood music is liked, but in West, blues, rock, rap, etc. music is liked. But in today's time, uh, Indian culture is in India, Western culture is adopting mostly. So I am requesting to my listeners that if you like our Indian culture, then you adopt Indian culture as much as you can. If somebody asks me that which culture is best, so according to me, I will tell that Indian culture is best. Thank you, sir.
Sir, 1 minute रुको. Hello, good evening, everyone. I am Payal. Today about is
आराम
today talking about is
हम्म
different between Indian culture and Western culture. Uh, what you mean? First, what is culture? A culture is a way of life of a particular group of people or country.
शाबाश हाँ
The behaviors, beliefs, ideas, values, customs, traditions, symbols that they accept grandly without thinking about them, and that are passed along by communication and imitation from one generation to the next. Culture differs from one country to another. No culture can be the same. This is also true with reference to Indian culture versus Western culture. Um, I am in the favor of Indian culture, but some favor of Western culture. The culture which is in culture, Indian culture is considered to be USA, Spain, Canada, Europe, etc. Indian culture has variety of religions like like Hinduism, Islam, Sikhism, Japanese, Buddhism, British, etc. Here you can see unity in diversity. Although people belong to different religion, yet they live happily. Indian people prefer to live in joint families. They respect all religions and obey their elders. Guests are considered God here. Atithi Devo Bhava. Indian is very well known for its rich culture heritage, which is a combination of custom, traditions, lifestyle, etc. For last few decades, we see westernization in India. Indian culture has been highly influenced by the Western culture. Indians are adopting the merits of the Western culture, like nuclear family, clean lines, Western foods, languages, and equal rights for the both man and woman. In Indian culture, arranged marriages are preferred. In Indian, parents use their experience in marriage to choose the best life partner for their children. But in Western culture, love marriages are preferred. It gives you the freedom to choose your one life partner. There are some many festivals celebrated in India, like Diwali, Holi, Eid, Baisakhi, Navratri, etc. Here you can see the feelings of brotherhood, plays, and harmony. Indian yoga, Shakespeare, and historical forts are world famous. But in Western culture, people give more importance to their wants, needs, and happiness. The main peers of the Western culture are rights, values, etc. In conclusion, both Indian culture and Western culture are right at their places. There is a lot to learn for the both culture, and Indian culture is the very famous culture, and I like to Indian culture, and I proud of the Indian culture. Thank you, sir.
हाँ बोलो.
सर स्टार्ट करूं?
हाँ कर बेटा.
Yes, sir. Hello everyone, my name is Priya Meena and today I'm telling about the mobile phone. Present age is the science age.
हाँ आराम से बोलना बेटा, घबराना मत, बहुत अच्छा बोल लेगी. हाँ.
In this age, we cannot live without science. Science has provide us many things. Like mobile phone is a wonder of science. Mobile, all people in this age, all people are uses mobile phone, are use
यूज
मोबाइल
खाली.
फोन.
हाँ कोई बात नहीं, बोलो. थोड़ा सा वर्क फॉर्म पे थोड़ा ध्यान रखना बोलते समय, बस थोड़ा सा ध्यान रखोगे तो होने लग जाएगा, बस वहीं गड़बड़ आ रही है और कहीं गड़बड़ नहीं है। बोलो।
In present time, it is the biggest means of entertainment.
शाबाश, बहुत अच्छा सेंटेंस बोला। हाँ।
It gives us news and many cultural programs to us. Uh, all people use it in their work. They can talk to other by it. Science has it is the biggest means of science. It is very important for education. The students use the education in their study. There are many educational programs in the mobile phone, but sometimes other students cannot use it in their work. It is very useful for business and services. So we can say that mobile phone is very useful for us. That's it.
ओके, ये हार्मफुल भी तो होगा ना किसी तरीके से कुछ?
Sir, harmful.
हाँ बोलो।
It makes our eyes.
हाँ
सर वो खराब को क्या बोलते हैं?
वीक बोल दो। इट मेक्स आवर
It
आईज
makes our eyes very weak.
हाँ
So we should use it in some time.
इन लिमिटेड वे। हाँ हाँ
Okay, sir.
ओके, करो
Start करूं?
हाँ।
Hello friends, my name is Komal Meena. I am here today to speak a few words about mobile. Mobile phone is one of the most important achievements of the modern science.
शाबाश। हाँ
Time and space is no problem today. It is basically used for voice calling, video calling, and the text messaging.
शाबाश।
Apart from this, we can play games, use social media sites like Facebook, read news, and also get education from a mobile phone. It helps you to stay in contact with the whole world. Mobile phones are also useful in office works. It also provides entertainment. We can watch movies and listen to music on mobile phones.
शाबाश। हाँ
It is also known as call phone. It comes in different size.
ठीक है।
We can make video with a mobile phone.
बहुत अच्छा बोला, शाबाश। बोलो।
Mobile phone is an important and popular innovation of technology and has its own advantages and disadvantages. For instance, you can contact easily to your friends by calling or sending messages
शाबाश।
everywhere without electricity. It is very important for students. But it makes our eyes very weak. That's all.
हाँ
Hello friends, myself Ruchika and today I'm telling about the difference between Indian culture and Western culture. First of all, I'm telling about Indian culture.
हाँ
The Indian culture, which is for the culture which is followed by the Indians, is known as Indian culture. India has India has its variety and its culture is also rich in the world and different from other countries and Indians India's there are many types of people live and there are many religious persons there many religious are followed and many customs and there lives many types of persons like many types of custom रैंक क्या आ रहा है सब बाद में बोल लेंगे
ओके शुरू करो
शुरू करो सर
हम्म
Hello friends, myself Priyanka Sharma. I am the student of Ramban English Interactive Online Classes from B2 and today I want to tell you about difference between Indian culture and Western culture. Indian culture is a mix of diversity in customs, traditions, language, lifestyle, etc. That varies from region to region within the country. It is one of the oldest and a combination of various cultures. And on the other hand, Western culture, it is quite advanced and open. The norms, belief, value, traditions, customs, and practice are greatly inspired by European culture. Moreover, Western culture includes British culture, French culture, Spanish culture, etc. In this article, we will find the most important difference between Indian culture and Western culture. First, meaning. The Indian culture which is followed in India is Indian culture, and the culture which is followed is most Western culture like USA, Spain, Canada, Europe, etc. is known as Western culture. Religion: Hinduism, Islam, Christian, Sikh, Buddhism, Jain are in Indian culture, and Christians, Judaism are in Western culture. Family: joint and nuclear family are in Indian culture, and nuclear family is in Western culture. Fourth, music: folk, classical, Sufi, Bollywood music is liked in Indian culture. Hip hop, jazz, blues, rap, rock music in appreciate in Western culture. Language: Hindi is the most famous language in Indian culture, but there are many other languages which are spoken in different areas like Tamil, Punjabi, Bengali, Bihari, Marathi, etc. And English is widely spoken in Western countries, followed by French and Spanish. Marriage: arranged marriages are preferred in Indian culture, and love marriages are common in Western culture. Clothing: traditional clothing depends upon region and religion in Indian culture, and a person can wear whatever she likes in Western culture. Thus, we can say that Indian culture and Western culture are different from each other. That's it, sir.
ओके बोलो बोलो
Hello everyone, my name is Sonam Meena. I study in 12th class. Today my topic is the difference between Indian and Western culture. One of the most debated topics in competitions and group discussions is Indian culture versus Western culture. They are diametrically opposite to each other. As a coin has two sides, both cultures all have some merits and demerits. Indian culture is a mix of diversities in customs, rituals, traditions, language, etc. that varies from region to region within the country. It is one of the oldest and a combination of various cultures. On the other hand, Western culture, it is quite advanced and open. The norms, beliefs, values, traditions, customs, and practice are greatly inspired by European culture. Moreover, Western culture includes British culture, French culture, Spanish culture.
Shabash.
In this article, you will find the most important difference between Indian culture and Western culture. The culture which is prevalent in India is known as Indian culture. The culture widespread in the Western countries is known as Western culture. Indian culture has a variety of religions like Hinduism, Islam, Sikhs, Christians, etc. While in Western culture, the people mostly belong to Christians. In Indian culture, joint families are common. However, nuclear families are also there.
Very good.
Conversely, in Western culture, small family are there. The traditions Indian outfit is worn in Indian culture. Although nowadays, with the influence of Western culture, Western clothing is also prepared by the people. In contrast to Western culture, there is no such traditional outfit. A variety of folk, classical, Bollywood songs is prepared in Indian culture. On the other hand, Western culture promotes hip hop, jazz, blues, rap, heavy metal, and rock music. India is mainly spoken in Indian culture, but in the case of Western culture, English is spoken in a high ratio. Indian culture is not that more open as compared to Western culture. Both Indian culture and Western cultures are right at their place. There is a lot to learn from both the cultures. For last few decades, Indian culture has been influenced by the Western culture, and they are adopting the merits of the Western culture like cleanliness, equal rights for both men and women, frankness, etc., which helped in removing the shortcomings of Indian culture. Similarly, Western culture is also getting an Indian touch regarding Indian cousins and yoga. Culture plays an important role in everyone's life. Be it any culture, should we respect as it is our culture that mirrors our behavior. Culture not only differs from country to country but also from region to region. None of the cultures are the same. That's it, sir.
Very good.
Good evening, everyone. I am Aman. I am Aman from 12th class. I am a student of Ramban online interactive classes. Today, I am telling about Indian culture and Western culture. First of all, Indian culture. We know all very well that there are many ceremony and tradition in Indian culture. Many religions people live in India, like Hindu, Muslim, Sikh, Isai, Bodh, Parsi, etc. Many types of languages are spoken in Indian culture, like Hindi, Marathi, Gujarati, Malayalam, Telugu, etc. People of here wear pant shirt, dhoti kurta, coat, etc. People of sorry, woman of here wear lehenga, chunni, sari, burqa, etc. and as well as they they keep fall on their face. People of here eat heavy food like dal bati, salad, lassi, juice, kachori, sweets, etc. People, child of here respect the elder. So Indian culture is also said Indian of ideals. Second, Western culture. Western culture is seen the basic of new visit. There many types of language are spoken in Western culture like Angrezi, Francese, Germany, Spanish, etc. Practice is done of Isai religions in Western culture. There are many dance in Western culture like hip hop, couple dance, etc. Everything is different in Western culture. That's it.
Hello friends, my name is Dilkush Mina. Today I am telling about difference between Indian culture and Western culture. We know that each country has a culture and lifestyle. Indian culture is selective, but Western culture is indigenous.
वेरी गुड, बहुत अच्छा. हाँ,
Many religions are included in Indian culture, like Hindu, Buddha, Jain, Muslim, etc. More between people in Indian culture, while there is very few love in between people in Western culture. Many festivals are celebrated in Indian culture, while many few festivals are celebrated in Western culture. Western culture is modern. People live in single family. Live in single family. In Western culture, God is not worshipped, while in Indian culture, God is worshipped.
very good. हाँ,
So I like Indian culture. That's all.
very good. बहुत अच्छा. हाँ, बोलो.
चालू है सर.
हाँ, बोलो.
Hello friends, my name is Salman Khan. I read in 12th arts. I am the student of Ramban online interactive classes. And today I am telling about the difference between Indian culture and Western culture. India is well known. India is well known for its rich culture. each culture. India has many types. India has many types of religions like Hindu, Muslim, Sikh, Isai, Buddha, Jain, etc. So in the India people lived each other happily, and they helped each other.
टेंस
They
का ध्यान रखो थोड़ा.
helped each other. They help each
थोड़ा ध्यान
each
रखो.
other.
हाँ थोड़ा हाँ.
They help each other. In India, India has many types of languages like Hindi, English, Urdu, Marathi, Gujarati, etc. etc. But Western culture is different to Indian culture. There is a common language which is English. Which is English. Their people do not live each other happily. They only सर वो काम रखने से क्या बोलते हैं, मतलब एक दो अपने काम से काम रखते हैं.
They have only business relation.
They have only business relation. They do not help each other in their problems. Their problems. India in India, every people eat healthy food. So Indian are healthy. But in the western side, people eat fast food. So their health is not good rather than India's people.
Very good. बहुत अच्छा बोला. हाँ.
India's people. So I liked Indian culture. That's it, sir.
बोल.
Hello friends, myself Ruchika and I am the student of B1 Raman English online live interactive batch. Today I am telling about the difference between Indian culture and Western culture. First of all, I am telling about Indian culture. The culture which is followed in India is known as the Indian culture, and Indian culture is very rich and it is different from other countries. Indian culture, there live many religious persons like Hindu, Muslim, Sikh, Isai, Buddha, etc. And here all people live with brotherhood and happily. And here the welcoming of the guest is also different. Guest is as the god, and guest when the guest come at the home, the guest is welcomed to holding hands, and the small children touch feet to the elders to take their blessings. And the wearing of cloth and the clothing is also different in India. In India, salwar suit, dhoti kurta, and other things refers for wearing. And here 122 languages are spoken, but mostly Hindu, Telugu, Kannada, Marathi, Urdu, etc. are spoken. And here the culture is different, and here in the eating food is also different. Here mostly dal bati churma, and every state and according to the society of people is food is eaten here. Dal bati is eaten in India. and the food of India increase the willpower and immunity of Indians. So Indians are always strong, and Indian people, Indian people's behavior is good, and the families are not till the nuclear family. There, all people like to live in a joint family, and Indian people. They here the folk dance is a famous dance, and the here uh, the all here people likes in every here people do not hate to each other according their caste and societies. All people live with brotherhood, and if we talk about Western culture, then Western culture is different from India. It and In the Western, all things are different, and it is also known as modern culture. Here, their people like to live in nuclear family. They do not like to live in joint family because they think it a foundation, and in there the food is also eaten different. Uh, Eaten different like a pizza, burger, and Chinese food, junk food, and there all the people wears a different type of clothes, uh, and there mostly English is spoken, but and the English is spoken, but and French and French and Spanish is also spoken, and the Western culture people like to talk until business, and they do not like friendship. If the friendship is, then it is still only business. And the Western people do not like to live with a brotherhood, and the every culture has its merits and demerits, but nowadays in India, the Western culture is also following. So please do not destroy the ancient culture, the Indian culture, and follow to the Indian culture. That's all.
Very good. Huh.
Hello everyone, my name is Jyoti Narwal and I am the student of Ramban Online Internship Classes. Today I am telling about what is the difference between Indian culture and Western culture. We all know that Indian culture is the oldest culture of the in all in all the world, and there are many traditions in India. Many religion people live in India, like Muslim, Buddha, Jain, Parsi, etc. Many types of language are spoken in India. Indian like Gujarati, Marathi, Hindi, Telugu, Malayalam. People of the Indian people wear dhoti kurta, and Indian women wear sari, and Indian girls wear salwar suit and lehenga chunni, and the Indian food is dal bati churma, and there are many healthy food in India which is increase our power, and there are many dance in India, like there are many dance in India like Bharatanatyam, Kathakali, etc. And there are many festivals in India like Holi, Diwali, Gangaur,
Gangaur, Shivratri, Ganesh Chaturthi, etc. There are and most of the people work farming in India, and women of here keep pallu on their face, and children of here respect of elders. So and Indian people and and Indian culture is considered the mother of all culture, and Indian culture is also said and Indian culture is also said the idol of other country, other culture, and India is also said the Vishnu Guru of all country, and Western culture is totally different from Indian culture, because Western culture is seen on the basic of the new visit. Many types of language are spoken in English, and in Western culture like France, Germany, Spanish, etc. And that's it.
Okay.